It has been 5 or 6 years since I went fishing last. Can you believe that? So I'm starting to think that I've forgotten how to do it. I'm gonna go to uh, one of the easiest spots that I know about. Not necessarily easy to catch fish, just easy to get to the water, and it's a really close drive for me. 5:41 right now in the afternoons, and it'll take me, I don't know, 20 minutes to get there. I'm gonna wear my fishing vest too, because the last time I wore my fishing vest fishing, I don't know if I was even an adult yet. Good times. I'm trying something a little new. I've got these itty bitty cameras, and I'm gonna try and see what kind of action I can see with it, more or less in my sight line. I don't think the angle is super wide on these, so I might not catch all of the use of my reel and that sort of thing, but I'm hoping it does. Even though the quality isn't amazing, it's still footage. Doe! Glasses over glasses. Let's do it. Meow to you! You wanna go fishing, Cap? Working my whalemer. Ooh, an egg. Booyah! Having a scenic conversation by himself. Oh, I don't need this. Who needs a condom? Eh. Gulp alive. Ooh, minners. Und we just nose hook it? Gulp alive minnow on a drop shot. Maybe a weed. Yep, caught salad. Still got my bait though. Ah, hook set. Sorry, free. Oh, I still got a bait. I think I'll switch to the float. Now where's my bobber stop? I really want that a little deeper. I don't know if a float is the way to go. The current might just be pulling the line too fast for the thing to drop. Let's try casting a little closer to the thing. Yeah. That's where I aimed it. A stork! Oh, just try something basic. Wow, that was effortless. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-ish. Pass it through the loop that line made, and pass it through the loop that made. Tighten her down. Improved clinch knot. Ah, the crowd goes wild. Haha, success. Little minnow. Oh, a little guy. Oh, it's a little fishy. Come here, big guy. Come on. What are you? What are you? Oh, no! I think it was a bass. Oh no. Might have hung myself up. Yeah, she came free. Maybe next time.